Hi, this is Mike from Modern Muscle Cars in Ocala Trailer. Are you in the market for a nice pre-owned Airstream camper? Well then this is the one for you. This Airstream is a 2014 model, their signature 27FB Onyx. And this unit has only been used a handful of times. In fact, when we got it, it still had the original tires that showed almost no wear. So because of the age, we had them replaced and we had the trailer serviced. This unit is very clean inside and out. All the panels look like new. It's a one owner Florida camper. It's impressive to see the attention to detail and the quality of the materials that Airstream uses in their campers. This unit has sleeping for 5 and lots of neat features that I want to show off. Nice layout in the kitchen with a good sized sink, 3 cooktop stove with an oven and plenty of storage up and below. For cooling, we have a large size fridge and freezer and an air conditioner to keep it all cool inside. Plenty of closet space throughout the camper, and leading up into the bedroom, we have a privacy divider that separates the rest of the unit from the bathroom, the shower, and the bedroom. We have a full-size door closing for the toilet and sink, all leading into the queen-size bedroom here with, again, cabinets on top, storage cabinets underneath, and a TV and large windows. So as you can see, this Airstream is full of life and ready for the next adventure. Where will you take it? Look us up at ocalatrailer.com.